Welcome, traders, to another Tick Mill Trading View update. Me, Patrick Munley. Want to take a look at a few charts that I'm monitoring at the moment. We're going to look at the euro dollar first. I'm going to take a look at gold, and we'll finish up with a quick look at the dollar index. So the euro dollar. One thing to note about the forex markets at the moment, that volatility is sitting at 2.5-year lows. So that means we're getting these contracted ranges and a lot of choppiness in the market. But as I discussed with my strategy group, low volatility tends to precede higher volatility. So it's important that we maintain technical perspective and take signals as per our trading strategies, and because we don't know, no one does know for certain when volatility is going to pick up again. But if you're not taking your strategy signals, then you're likely to miss out on the opportunities once volatility does kick up. So it's important to maintain discipline and a degree of patience. Obviously, as we know, patience is what pays in this game. So looking at the euro dollar, two key levels I'm watching. Whilst we hold 108, 107.90 as support, we have an upside equality objective at 109.89. The other level that I'm watching is this 108.68. If we can't break above there, we maintain that as resistance. Bearish reversal patterns there would suggest that we get a move down to test the equality objective here at 107.75. We also have weekly projected range support coming in 107.70. So again, I watch for bullish reversal patterns there to engage on the long side, and we have a couple of upside objectives. Once we take out that 109 handle, we have weekly projected range resistance 109.30. Value area high for the 4-hour profile we're currently monitoring here is 109.50s, but ultimately what I'm looking for is a move up to test this 110 level on the upside. So any close back through 109 is a confirmation, or at least a signal to suggest we get a run up to take a look at 110. As long as we maintain any corrective action here into the 107.70s, 107.75 area. If we lose that as support, then I think we're going to take another look at 106.90s to the downside. Moving to gold, and we're seeing a decent expansion to the upside as per the last update. Running long positions in my strategy group at the moment, and we are looking initially now for a retest of the spike highs into that 21.53 on the futures contract. From there, I look for a corrective move, something similar in scope and scale to what we saw here. If we define this as a potential wave 3 high, we look for a wave 4 pullback, and then a fifth wave extension to complete this initial impulse move. And I'd be targeting this pitchfork resistance coming in 21.80s. We also have the weekly R3 21.81. But I am bullish on gold, and ultimately we're looking for a test now. Once we can get acceptance above that 21.50s, we're targeting 22.90s as the equality objective versus the broader swing structures. So currently long and looking for opportunities to add to long positions once we can get acceptance above 21.50s. Last but not least, let's just take a look at the dollar index. Obviously similar to the euro dollar really in many respects at the moment, it being the biggest component of the dollar index. Pretty much sideways action as per the last update. 104.20s is the key resistance at the moment. Once we maintain that, I'm looking for a test of 102.50s to the downside. If, however, we get a close back through the value area high here, 104.40s, 104.50s, then the focus will once again shift to a test of 105.80s, which coincides with monthly projected range resistance for the dollar index. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.